Hello sir, this is Bibi. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Ramkumar J. Damodaran, having 27 years of experience in the IT industry, especially software training and consulting space. My educational qualification is MBA Finance and MBA Information Systems. I was working with a multinational company as a software professional for the last 7 years. After rendering my services at the company, I started my own venture by name, Integrated Solutions Private Limited, as a software consultant professional. I am running this business last 20 years. Recently, we have started a new company called Alpha Source Technologies Private Limited, where we have built a product named Foodie Hive, which is nothing but a technical platform and a marketplace between home chef and corporate consumers and corporate customers. This product is built to serve a homemade food experience to corporate customers and consumers.
What inspired you to initiate this concept of business?
The primary goal of the product Foodie Hive is to provide a technology platform and a marketplace between home chef and corporate customers and consumers. I created this product mainly for the purpose of serving fresh, hygienic, nutritious and homemade food to all the people, including people going to the office, people staying at the PG, people working at the gym or the hospitals, and everyone. Instead of consuming the food from outside, without having the knowledge how it was prepared, it is good to have the food made by our home chef in the same way as how our parents cook the food with love and care.
Can you tell me more about the vision of the company?
The vision of Foodie Hive is to bring home food closer to you with a personalized and wow factor in being transparent and trustworthy at every step with utmost satisfaction.
What are your ideas, plans and actions for the next 5 years?
Good. My goal is to provide unified food having experience with transparency and trustworthy services like procurement, preparation, packaging and delivery across our country, eventually to expand to other parts of the world, to everyone who requires home food, whether they are at home or away from home, with utmost satisfaction without compromising hygienic, healthy and nutritional factors.
What makes Foodie Hive stand out from other businesses?
FoodieHive.com brings you home food. It is sentimental and personally connected. As part of our eco-friendly practices, every subscriber at FoodieHive.com is served with an unique and personalized tiffin carrier and utensils to reduce the paper and plastic footprint in packaging the food. We have our own in-house delivery professionals to deliver the food to our corporate customers and subscribers to optimize the cost for competitive pricing without compromising the safety guidelines. We believe in being transparent by providing live streaming of our cloud kitchen infrastructure to our corporate customers and subscribers. We ensure that all our home chefs are Food Safety and Standards Authority of India FSSAI certified and trying to follow food safety guidelines with the quality assurance auditing standards.